Blackstone Leasing and Management. We're here at 38 Eudora Street, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island. First floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Hardwood flooring throughout. High ceilings. Big windows for plenty of natural light. We're in the living room area. Very spacious. To my left, bedroom number 1. Newer flooring, high ceilings, big enough for a queen set. Some built-in shelving. I'm gonna go into the kitchen area. Get your back entrance there. Plenty of room for a table and chairs. Electric stove, refrigerator, Galley kitchen, your sink. Plenty of cabinet and countertop space. Next to the kitchen, you got bedroom number 2. Also big enough for a queen set. And the bathroom here. Shower tub and vanity. Plenty of mirror space. I'd like to apply for 38 Eudora Street, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island. Click the Apply Now button at the bottom of the screen. Fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.